I'm with John Biachaos, President and CEO of Standard Insurance, one of the leading non-life insurers in the Philippines and the country's largest car insurer. The Philippines is ranked 5th in the long-term climate risk index, so it really is at the sharp end of risk management. John, what are the big challenges you face as a general insurance provider today?
All major insurers are going through the same thing. Number one, competition. It's not going away anytime soon. Prices are coming down, rates are coming down, margins are getting compressed. Number two, catastrophic event. Climate change is here to stay. The return period of a bad typhoon used to be centuries, then decades, now maybe in years. Third would be disruption. Customers want new things. Is our team prepared to provide them these things? Or will they be provided by new companies that are not even on our radar screens today? Number four, of course, the business cycle. Things aren't always good. When will it turn bad again? When is the turbulence going to hit? These four things are our reality. We deal with them every year. So the question is, what must we do to adapt? How do we take our tools, take our people, take our know-how to convert these into opportunities?
Answer that question for me. How has Standard Insurance adapted to overcome or mitigate these challenges?
The first order of the day is to take care of our customers very well today. That's very important. With no customers today, there is no future to speak of. Number two, I would say, is to keep our operating systems contemporary, modern. They must be ready all the time to meet the needs of customers today and tomorrow. Number three, we take number one and two and try to do it outside the Philippines. Our group chairman is an avid fisherman, and he knows what it means to look for new fishing grounds. We're always up for a new adventure. Number four, we take bits of everything we've learned and how do we make these into new commercial enterprises. The products of tomorrow may look like toys today, so we need to make sure that all those things we can convert into something that is viable for the future. And number five, I would say, is follow our instincts as business people, as entrepreneurs. They should lead us to very good things.
The toys of today, maybe the products of the future, what innovative products are you bringing to market?
We'll talk about three things that we kind of like. The first one is our technical center. It's a 7-hectare facility to take on vehicles that should be total losses. But in this case, no, we can fix them and minimize our costs. So if you have a total loss vehicle, it would otherwise be scrapped. We can restore them here. Interestingly, we take the vehicles that don't get resold and we can chop them up and sell the parts online. Number two is we have an insurance policy that's bundled with a term life insurance policy. Back home, many people have car insurance, but many people don't have life insurance. Term life, no one really wants to sell it anymore, but it's a good product, it's affordable. So what we do is we bundle the two, motor and term life, and then it makes it easier for our customers to have life insurance cover. Number three is for climate change. So every car generates about 2 tons of carbon dioxide. We have a service, pay us an extra $20 and we will plant enough trees to offset your carbon footprint. That's about 1 hectare. It's important for us that we try these things. Some of them work, some of them don't work, but we have to try. We want to make sure that we don't miss any major trend.
Is this helping you grow, and how are you keeping your variable costs low?
So far, so good, but we look at our total cost per policy, which means it's variable cost and fixed cost. The first thing to keep variable costs and fixed costs low is to keep our people happy. We have to make sure that each associate feels loved, invested in, engaged. Then everything is possible. Sales goes up, waste goes down, and each one is able to contribute to create programs that will make our company better and keep variable costs low.
And what else does the future hold for Standard Insurance?
We don't know what the future will bring for us, but what I find is that the better we are to our people and to our partners and to our customers, the opportunities come. Having a nice conversation with someone, whether the person is in Manila or in the province or here in London, it leads to many, many new things. The things we can predict, I would say, on the best day would be just 30%. The 70% are the things we can't predict. Of those, half can be considered threats, but half can be considered very good opportunities. So that's how we roll.
John, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Click through for more interviews from the pensions and insurance industries And please subscribe for the latest international financial insights from worldfinance.com.